Hi, my name is Bill Parker. Today I'm going to show you how to check and replace your battery on your riding lawnmower. Have you ever come out on a Saturday morning, you turn the key, and there's nothing? One way to check your battery is visually. Make sure the connections are good. If they are, and you happen to have a digital multimeter, you can check the voltage by switching it to DC voltage and putting your leads across the battery. In this case, I can see I've got 1.4 volts and I should have better than 12. If you don't have a digital multimeter and you happen to have a battery load tester, you could always use one of those. Again, it's the same way. You just hook your leads up to your battery, and it shows it just barely reads a little over 1.5 volts. So I'm going to run down to the store, get a new battery, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back from the store. I've replaced my battery. I put the new one in already. I've cleaned my connections, so I know I've got good connections. And one more thing, if you want to check, just to verify that your meter's working, is you can set it up, and you'll notice on the meter, it's got 12.5 volts, which is the way it should be. And that's all there is to it. Replace the battery, take the old one out, bring it to the repair shop, buy a new one, replace it, and I'm good to go.